Hi, all. I wanted to talk to you about lesson plans in terms of clinical practice too. Now, as you remember, we spoke about earlier, if you have shown mastery in the TSC lesson plan template during clinical practice 1, which means you're averaging a score of 90 or higher, then during clinical practice 2, we allow you to move to the template that your individual school district uses. And so they're going to be different for each district. The one I'm showing you a sample of right now is Habersham High School, the template that they do. And we actually had our students add an additional piece in that wasn't present in their template, and I'll show that in a section in just a second. But all these templates are going to be different, but it gives you an idea of how to fill out different versions of the lesson plans depending on where you are for your district, because we want you to mimic as closely as possible what is expected there. So you'll notice a lot of it remains the same between what we have on our template and this example here, although this is much shorter now. So you give me the date, the topic, and key standards, vocabulary if you have it, it needs to be bolded. You'll give me your learning targets, your opener, bell ringer, hook, your work session, activities and resources, your closing, the materials, and the student clicks everything through hyperlinks. So I can click on those hyperlinks and access all of those materials. Give the assessments that you have, and she's doing the quizzes. And then the piece we make sure you have in there is adaptations to meet individual needs. And in this class, there are no 504s, IEPs, or English language learners. And so you will have every date of that week, and you will submit the entire week before you teach so that we can review it, take a look, and make sure everything is where it needs to be as far as your pedagogy, and offer ideas or comments to help you improve before you actually get out there and teach.